Hey guys, what's up? This is Ajay from Zero Technology, and in this video, I will be reviewing on earphones which I personally think that are the best wired earphones under rupees 400. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that these are earphones by the company Sungai. I already reviewed one of the micro USB cable, and it was also a very good cable. So the company contacted me for a review of this product, and I personally used this product for one month, and this same video will also give you the review. So I've been using these earphones for 1 month. That's a long period of time in which I have tested this, and I personally love the earphones. So I thought, why not make a video on these earphones and share with my viewers about these earphones. So again, this is by company Sungai. Let me just show you the box. This is the box that you will get. Environmental protection can be recycled. Then here we get made in China, and then okay, so this is also the box, and here it's written open. Also, I have to tell you that let me know if there are any differences in this video, because I've recently bought an iPhone 6s, and yes, this video is being recorded by the camera of iPhone 6s. So now I'll just open the box. And also let me know please that the recording and the video of which camera is better, the camera of the Mi 5 or the camera of this iPhone 6s. So here you can see, that's a very nice thing that we get a pouch in these earphones, because usually in this price range you don't usually get such accessories. So there's nothing inside, no user manual, etc. Here we get a pouch, etc. in gold, and here it's the model number E002. So here you can see this is the packaging that we get. I'll just give you a look of these earphones. And yeah, back here, so I'll just open it and show you. Okay, first let's just see the inbox contents. So this is the pouch, very good quality pouch. And then yeah, I'm really impressed that we also get some extra earbuds, 4 extra earbuds in these, because usually we don't get extra earbuds. I'll just show you the earbuds, because you don't usually get earbuds in this price range extra with earphones. So I'll just insert it back, and I will directly come to the earphones. Just open this up. Yeah, so these are the earphones. You can see very good quality earphones, I would rather say. Yeah, so this is the length, very long. Length is also very good, not short and not that long also, just appropriate length. And the color, I think the earphones, I don't exactly remember, the earphones are available in 3 or 4 colors, that are silver, black and these gold, and I personally have the gold one, so I decided to tell the company I needed gold one for review. So these are the earphones. This is what it looks like. It's written right, left also, if you can see. Yeah, I think you can see. And then we have this gold plated 3.5mm connector, and this looks very good, believe me on this. This is also gold plated, and this is also plated with some kind of very good material. And here you can see the pattern, the embroidery. And then here we get the earbuds, of course. 4 were there and 2 we get here. And this is how the earphones look. Also, there are many special things in this earphone. I'll just tell you that what are those. So just hang on a minute, I'll just show you by folding the earphone in this way. So here you can see that here is one button. I've already reviewed an earphone by Geek Cases, and in that earphone also this button was present, and this is not usually seen in earphones. This is a very rare button, and what this button does is that it just mutes the vocals so that we can just share the music. And this is really helpful when you're just practicing instruments, and also when you want to just listen to the music and not to the vocals. So again, I think this actually mutes the singing voice of the person, and we can just share the music, and this is very helpful. Also in this earphones we get these sliders. We can just adjust the volume. So what is actually the function of the slider is that when I just take it to the maximum level in the downside, then the volume will just go to the minimum and we cannot hear anything. And you can see the plus minus signs here. If you just take it back to the most upper part, then of course the volume will be the most highest of the earphones. So what is the function is that you have to not just take out your smartphone to increase or decrease the volume. Here you can just choose these earphones only to increase and decrease the volume of the music. On the back we get this play pause button, and also do it in cons, and the microphone is also very good. I've tested it personally on calling and recording videos. The microphone is very good of these earphones. So now let's quickly get to the sound quality review of these earphones. Talking about the sound experience which I had in these earphones, so the sound experience was personally very good for me. The sound was very loud, the bass was very powerful, and there was no sound distortion at all in these earphones. I personally tested songs with very high bass, and you cannot just hear the bass, and you cannot just tolerate the bass, because it is very loud and very powerful in these earphones when you are listening to the music in the highest and the maximum volume. So guys, in my review I really loved the earphones. Also, the different kind of buttons and the sliders present in the earphones really help a lot and are really very useful. I mean, you cannot just expect more in earphones priced at this range. So now let me just come to the final pricing. So the pricing of these earphones, at least when I'm making this video, is only rupees 370. You can order them on AliExpress. As always, the buying link of the earphones will be in the description of the video below. So guys, that's all on this video. If you liked the video, then make sure that you hit the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a latest video on my YouTube channel. This is Mehta signing off. Have a nice day.